We never want to think about it happening to us. Having a stroke, getting Alzheimer's, dementia, something like that, car wreck, coma. I'm not talking about death. I'm talking about some type of incapacity, right? It's always someone else. It's them, not me. But if you look around, you can see how many people in your life have been affected by someone who has had a stroke, Alzheimer's, dementia, something like that, where they lose the ability, the capacity to make their financial and medical decisions. So one asset protection strategy to protect your assets in case you are the one who has the stroke or Alzheimer's, or your spouse or the heart attack or whatever it is, they can't make decisions for them, is to make sure that you have a plan in place. Specifically at this moment, I'm talking about powers of attorney. Because if you become incapacitated, who has the ability to make financial decisions for you? Who's going to pay your mortgage? Who's going to be able to talk to the bank, to pay bills, to put money in, to pull money out, to write checks, to do any of that stuff? Who's going to have the ability to sell your house, to mortgage, to refinance, to reverse mortgage, any of that? Who's going to have the ability to tell the doctors what decisions to make, right? The medical decisions. So you've got your financial powers of attorney, durable power of attorney. You've got your medical healthcare power of attorney. Different, but both in the realm of power of attorney of who gets to make decisions on your behalf if you're incapacitated. If you don't have these documents in place, that could be a big problem, because then it might necessitate a guardianship hearing. We're talking thousands and thousands and thousands, many thousands of dollars and time, because that has to go through the court process. All the while, you're sitting there, no one's able to transact with the bank, pay your mortgage, pay your bills. Fees are piling up, late fees, foreclosure, could be any of that stuff. Who's able to make the medical decisions for you, right? Doctor can't just take an instruction from Joe Blow off the street to make a medical decision, and you never signed off on power for anybody to have that. Again, this whole guardianship thing, you want to avoid it. That's one way to protect your assets, because it costs a lot of money if you don't have power of attorney, and it can cost a lot of money to wait. It can result in late fees, delinquencies, foreclosures, all sorts of stuff. And you may even have a guardian appointed over your estate or person that is not someone you like and not someone you trust. And they could mismanage the money, steal it, do something bad. Even though they have a fiduciary duty at that point in time to act on your behalf, sometimes they don't do it. So get this done in advance. Name the right people to make decisions for you, people you trust, people who have proven to know you and love you and make good financial decisions of their own. I'm Mike Massey, and I've helped over 1,000 families with estate planning and asset protection. Call us. We'd love to have a conversation with you. Mike Massey Law, mytxwills.com, mytxwills.com.